mortgage-backed securities or even exotic DNA stocks. You want to have a real conversation? You want to go there? You're ready to face the big boys and the bold facts of the world and the way it works? Well, let's go stand in the middle of the park for literally no reason. I see something in you, Dylan. You seem naive and in need of a father figure because you're probably died or is gay. But you're also hungry and greedy and vindictive, which I'm right. Yeah, I'm a lion. I eat my young. But in your case, I'm going to make an exception. You're the son I always wanted. And if you think that this is setting up an event an act or two later when I will present you with a clear moral dilemma, then you were wrong. Wait, really? It's happening now. Let's look at some graphs and scales and images of skyscrapers. America really is amazing. Did you know that we're the world's leading country at graphs? Listen, kid, nothing makes me feel more alive than crushing a man in business, then destroying a large chunk of the economy. You really are right. I am the archduke of the nation.
Okay, guys.
I am the... I am...
Oh, thanks, LD. That was a nice bath. That was fun, wasn't it? I said it was fun, wasn't it? I said it was fun, wasn't it? I said it was fun, wasn't it?
Ow.
I said it was fun, wasn't it?
What?
The bath.
No.
You played cars with me. It was so fun.
Stop, Dad.
What?
Stop.
What? I didn't care.
Time to watch Meltdown.
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 Meltdown. What's Meltdown?
It's on the TV right now.